Hey guys, hope you all are doing great. And in the last video, this is basically assignment time, okay? And in the last session, what we looked at is we have been given the list of email IDs, isn't it? List of email IDs. And what we said is we basically took each of the emails and we tried to actually display the first name and last name. Basically, we extracted the first name and last name, and this is what basically we displayed. Yeah. So let me show you, and then I left you. This is what we solved it, right? And then what I said is the assignment for you is basically rather than just printing it, right? This was the print only, right? We want to persist this data, which means we want to store this data, right? Store the data like first name and last name, right? Uh, in a dictionary, right? This is what we said, right? Because we want to basically, maybe we want to reuse this data basically later. That's why instead of printing, we want to store in the dictionary or map basically. Okay, so let's try to look at the code that we have done last time. Okay, so if you look at here, this is the code, right? So what we have taken the email ID list. Okay, we have taken each of this email and we extracted first name and last name, right? One second, this is first name, this is first name and last name, and we try to print it basically, right? This is just printing, we are not storing in anywhere. Now let me try to run it and show you quickly how does it look, right? So if I can just show you here, this is how it is coming. Let's try to run it again. So it is coming Thomas James Vijay Sharma Ajay Sharma, right? This is what it is basically in the input, right? Ajay Sharma, Vijay Sharma, and all. So we are actually concerned about first name and last name itself, right? This we were able to do. Now, what I said, we will actually, rather than just printing it here, we would not print it here. Rather, we would store this data into some dictionary format, right? So what we will do, so in the same problem, right? Same things. What I will do is, I will basically, maybe probably we can modify this itself, right? Not a problem. We can, or let's do one thing, and that's fine. Let's try to basically modify this problem. So what I will do, I will just create a dictionary first. I'll say name underscore map or whatever name you want to give. This is the empty dictionary. I'm just initiating it. Okay. So once I initiate it, what I will do, I'll take the first name and last name. I'll simply store it actually, right? So how do I store it? Name map, and then here I have to give the first name actually. Okay, first name is basically in this case key, and the last name is value, right? Last name, first name and last name. This is all I have to do basically. Okay, now I'm not going to print it, but what I want to do, I want to basically return this, right? So return this as a okay, so let me just return it, return as a map itself, right? Or the dictionary, whatever you say, right? Here return as a name map. All right, now when I return it, I if I run it, it will actually return it, but I need to actually hold this value into some variable. So can I say that dictionary, okay, I will say name dictionary, or we can simply print it also, but let's print it, no, directly. Let's print it actually. I'll just, okay, or let's do it more formally. I will say name underscore dictionary, something like this. Okay, so now when I run it, it will actually create a dictionary which will be stored into this dictionary. Now if I print this particular dictionary, I will see basically all the first name and last name are actually printed as a key value pair. Okay, first name is a key and then last value is a pair actually. Okay, let's try to see whether it works. This is just a little tweak, right? Logic is same, only thing is I'm just going to store this data, like I'm just going to persisting this data in my place right now. Look, so this is what, and I can actually probably say it here, the dictionary is name dictionary, something like this, right? The name dictionary is something like this. Okay, now let's try to run it. Now this time it will give you perfect thing. Okay, let's see. Do you see? The name dictionary is Vijay Sharma. So this is actually one key and this is value. So this is actually one set up dictionary, right? Key value pair. So this is Vijay Sharma, Ajay Sharma, separator is there, comma, right? Do you see? So this is actually in the dictionary format. Now, if I need to use this particular dictionary, I can basically use it in my program somewhere else as well, right? Previously, I was just printing it, right? And this is the only thing that we need to do. And I hope this is just a variation that I wanted you guys to solve as part of assignment, right? I'll see you soon with the next video, and we will bring up more interesting problems and DSA related question in the next video. And we are actually covering the string part. So what I would say is, please send this across to your friends also who want to learn it. And it's a very good idea to actually spread the positive. If you spread the positive, then you will also gain the same thing in return. Okay. So please share with your friends and like and subscribe and comment, and also uh, run this program. And if it is running, then come back and comment that okay, you are able to run. Just say done. Okay. And then I know that you have been putting the efforts along with me, right? So that gives me encouragement and motivation to me as well. All right. So we'll see you soon with the next video. Until then, happy learning. God bless you. Bye.